Can I see a show of hands for anybody who ever had a childhood crush? So let's say primary school, had a childhood crush. Anybody still with that person? Please be a show of hands. Yes, Lisa O'Neill, what a legend. Who would have thought Venn? 2 families in Venn, of course they're going to get together. Hey?
What I really love to do is connect with people. Speaking from a stage, facilitating in a room, and that connection comes from being able to make people feel safe.
I love Stacey, except Stacey doesn't feel the same way. Stacey loves Jason. Making the perfect Venn diagram, by the way, as well.
Yeah, I like Callum's presentation style. It's nicely understated, really good storytelling, some great examples from his youth and relating that to the modern world that I thought really sort of struck a chord.
Insightful is also about getting it and understanding, well, who are the people in our organisation and who do we actually need to figure out how they work? And how do I need to figure out how I work with those people?
We're all wired differently. We've all got different ways of thinking, some more than others. There's some genius that comes with that, and I think we need to embrace that and make the best use of that.
We think that societal change starts at home. It doesn't. Generational change starts at home. Societal change starts in the workplace. If you want to make a mark, if you want to be a catalyst for change, who can spark and lead that change, start by making change at work.
What we've tried to do traditionally is being quite token, in that we've wanted some diversity of thought, but actually we want the people to fit in. And so they have to act outside of what's their natural state or their character.
And you could see people were just completely engaged. I just thought, he's got them. So I loved it.
And I'd like to think that on that day, I did the noble thing. I ran. I tell you this story because this is the sort of thing that we actually do in our organisations. Here's the link. There had to be one, right?
He took what others would seem as a really dry topic and he actually made it funny.
I think there's a little of all of us in Callum's story.
I love helping the type of people who feel stuck, whether they're leaders feeling stuck in their leadership, whether it's teams who feel stuck, who feel like there's something holding them back or they're not reaching their potential. I'd love to help you and your team get the best out of yourself.
Nice to meet you all. Talk to you soon. Thank you.